Well, good morning, all you cool cats and kittens. Mr. C here. We really need a better name for these discussions we have here. So if you could leave in the comments something you think we should call this channel, that'd be awesome. For today, please remember that your project is due. The fact sheet and the advertisement. If you've already turned them in and they're both under the same assignment, that's fine. I'll get through all that the best I can. Don't forget to share your assignments so I can actually look at them. For today's work, we're going to watch an episode of Bill Nye. I'm sure you guys are all excited about that. Under this link here, you will have a link to the video and also to a question sheet, which again, make sure you share and submit a link to that for the assignment. We have a new edition of Friday Favorites. On that, you can see what I've put as my favorite this week. There's liking allowed here. You can comment on things that other people put. Please keep it school appropriate and kind there. I do like seeing kind of like what you guys last week. I like seeing your favorite songs. That was kind of cool. If you have any questions, don't forget we have the 8th grade question channel set up there. If that's not your thing, you want us to email, that's fine too. I'll get to those as quick as I can. Look forward to seeing your responses on the Friday favorites, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks.